welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is part 2 of the last video, so if you haven't checked that video out, definitely check it out. Basically, I washed my hair and then I styled it into Bantu knots, and so this is day 2 of my Bantu knot out. This is how she looks. So basically at night, I just put it in a little ponytail, throw on my bonnet, and then go to bed. Basically, this video is going to be a week in my hair. I'm going to style my hair like when my curls starts to get a little bit old because I don't want to mess up the curls right now. So I'm going to probably style my hair probably like on day 4 or day 3. I don't know. I'm not sure. And also, I don't know if I want to blow dry my hair. Here's what I'm going to do. Today's Saturday, so I have classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So on Tuesday I'm gonna wear my hair in a shrunken state, and then on Thursday I'm gonna wear my hair a little bit big, so hopefully my curls are still popping by then. Here's another good look of my hair curls. It's super cute. I really like this side part. Like, I don't really do side parts. Like, I'm really like a middle part girl. So like this side part is giving like very beautiful. I'm about to make some hamburger helper, so I'm gonna probably show y'all how I make it. I don't really know how to make it. This will be my first time making hamburger helper. Okay, so I changed shirts. We're comfortable now. I never made this before, but it looked like it's an easy meal to make. I'm cooking this stroganoff flavor. Step 1 says to make the ground beef. So let's get this thing started. So let's go. Okay, so I got my ground beef right here. Got my pan. Gonna put the ground beef in the pan. And then let me take out my seasoning. Salt, complete pepper. I'm gonna just show y'all. So I'm gonna cut some onions to go in it because I love onions with everything. I don't really know how to cut onions, so we just gonna do what we do. Okay, so I cut up my onions. I'm not really a good onion slicer, so yeah. But I'm gonna just put this in the meat and then put my seasoning in the meat. Show y'all. Let's listen to some music. Okay. So the next step says to stir in the hot water. So I need 3/4 cups of hot water. As you just saw, the food is cooking right now. Hopefully I did it right because I added an extra step. So I don't know if that's gonna affect anything. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good, hopefully. Okay, it's coming together. Okay, so I added some kale to it, and then I'm just gonna mix it together. Oops. Okay, yeah, I cannot hold the phone and cook at the same time. Like this is very hard. I'm gonna add the rest of the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so it turned out actually amazing. Like, I thought me adding the heavy whipping cream was going to affect anything, but it didn't. So we're going to eat. I'm going to try it out on camera. Hopefully it's good. It looked good, but let's taste it for real. I should have made like some garlic bread with it. It's hot, so I think I'm going to let it cool down before I eat, or just blow it out. It looks good. I added kale and then I added tomatoes to it. It's honestly good. I can taste the seasonings, like it has some flavor to it. But honestly, this is the best hamburger helper meal I ever tasted. Like, this meal is very easy and quick to make. Like, it only took me about 30 minutes to make this meal. Definitely get in the kitchen and start cooking, because I promise you, practice makes perfect, okay? Everything is not gonna always turn out good, but once you keep practicing, it's like you can only get better.
What's up?
Ladies, outside.
know I said that I was gonna style my hair, but it's just too early to be thinking right now.
I heard you wanted to party. Well, I feel the same, so I went to show you.
Should I wear my hair like this or a side part? What you think? I don't know. But this is just basically how I get ready. I just filled in my eyebrows a little bit, then my edges, throw in a little bit of mascara, then I'm gonna put me some lip liner on. But first I'm gonna brush my teeth first. Y'all let me know how my back looking. Now the back of my hair, sometimes it be embarrassing for me because it's like I can't see the back. Are we looking good? I don't know. But let's go brush my teeth. This is how my hair looks. So I have 2 classes today. I have one at 9:30 and then one at 11, and I get it at 12. So I'm gonna just take you guys along my day. I believe I might be a little camera shy, so this is how my hair looks after I picked it out. So I'm basically ready for school. This is the fit for school. So I got the belt from Shein, these pants from Goodwill. I got this shirt from Shein. It was actually a dress. I'm gonna put it right here, and then I cut it up into a crop top, and I think it's cute. And then I'm gonna just wear my MK shoes with it. But yeah, that's basically the fit today. But yeah, girl. You guys, it is so beautiful outside. Like, it's sunny. It's a little bit chilly, so I'm gonna probably be a little bit cold, but I'll be fine. I just got back from class. This is how my hair is looking. I didn't really record in class because like I was taking notes in my first class, and then in my second class I was assigned to a group because we have to do a group case study. That's kind of nerve-wracking for me because it's like I don't really like group work. I like independent work. I don't want to do group work, but it's like I have to because I gotta like grow and step outside of my comfort zone. I have class on Thursday, so I only have classes 2 days out the week, and that's freaking amazing. But on Thursday I have class all day.
We got a problem, you seem late, you explain. You think I'm fed up, shit with gay, shit away. My girls tell me to let you do the grave, but I ain't way too prideful, I can't do it that way. No. Cause I ain't one of them, it's okay, babe, folks. I ain't one of them, but my silence women while you tripping. Cause we wouldn't be having no problems if you.
Y'all, I don't want to go back to class, it's so boring. Okay, I'm in the elevator.
Get it on time, cause I can do you too. Baby, I stay around the house cause I'm jaded. Girls love Beyonce.
Okay, y'all, I have another class at 5:30, so I'm just chilling in the library until I got class. But yeah, this is how my hair looks. I'm in the bathroom, by the way. I hope nobody walked in because then that would be weird. But yeah, y'all, I just been chilling. Oh, girl, what is this? What? We need to do better. I was really finna walk out with my zipper open. That's just disrespectful. Yeah, I'm sorry that I sound so monotone. It's like, I don't even know. It's just how I be on campus. I just be minding my business. I don't got no friends, so I just be by my lonely. But you know, that's okay because we're still gonna have a good time. But y'all, I'm on my way to class. This is my last class of the day, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm in the elevator right now. Alright, you guys, I just got from class. It was fun, it was creative, it was different, but this is the beautiful sunset. Alright, y'all, so this is day 7 here. It's very cute. Yeah, she's cute. I don't know if I want it like a middle part or do y'all like the middle part? I like the middle part. We gonna wear the middle part. But this is how long my hair is. Let's see. And also, I know that I said I was gonna style my hair, but honestly, like sometimes, like, well, most of the times, to be honest, like I don't feel like getting up, especially for class, and styling my hair. Like I just want to get up, shake it out, use a little pick, and then we good to go. Like y'all, what if my hair like was this long in this afro state? That's fine. I love you. God loves you, and we is out.
Say that I play myself with you. They say that you don't even notice me.